Hi folks, Chris here from Johnson RV, Fife, Washington store, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. Would like to showcase today a recent arrival, 2021 Forest River Forester 3051 Class C floor plan. We'll just do a brief walk around, let you take a look at it. This coach has a power awning, side cameras, as well as backup camera, outside TV. It also has the Ride Right suspension upgrade, which is air assist on the rear chassis axles. Nice size rear storage. Ladder on the rear, full body painted coach. Already has the trailer hitch on it. This one also has the slide out topper, and that is mostly a full wall slide. Let's just go back inside, show you around. You've got ultra leather sofa, ultra leather front captain's chairs, nice monitor for backup camera, big TV that can swing out, nice dinette with ultra leather, lots of counter space, nice size refrigerator freezer. It's actually running, getting ready for the party. Coming to the back, walk around bed, another TV. Nice size shower. Cabinet with mirrors and sink. If you have any questions about this coach, give me a call. 253-286-0486. Chris at Johnson RV. Take care.